Why are Filipinas obsessed with white skin and are you one of them? Where do you think this obsession come from? Do you think Filipinos are racist because they don't like dark skin? Are you aware the majority of foreigners like Filipinas morena skin? And how do you feel about that? Why are Filipinas obsessed with white skin and are you one of them?
For me po, I believe, I think that Filipinos are obsessed with white skin nowadays. Is that because in the eyes of the others po, white skin is beautiful po. And I noticed po that this generation po nowadays, Filipinas are trying so hard to have white skin po. They buy a lot of products po to make themselves white po.
And how about you? Are you one of them?
For me po, no. Kasi, I love my skin po. And I believe that, moreno po is the true color of a Filipino po. And I love my color po.
You don't use any whitening products?
Um, no po.
I'm so proud of you. Okay. Not everyone is like that. Very beautiful. Where do you think this obsession come from?
I think the internet po, especially South Korea po. We can see that Korea K-pop idols are white po, and I think that they want to be just one.
Because of the Korean
Yes po.
idols.
The
Okay.
standard. Yes.
And then you said standard.
Yes po. The beauty standard.
Okay. At what age you realize or you start feeling like I love my skin. I don't need whitening products.
Ano po, it started po when I watched po Nadine Lustre's interview po.
I love Nadine as well.
I love her too.
She's morena. She's beautiful. She doesn't have any surgeries, right? Plastic surgeries, nothing. Pure Filipina. So that's why.
Yes po. I love her.
Okay, good role model. And the one that won the Miss Universe Philippines as well.
Yes po.
Right?
Chelsea Manalo po.
Yes. She has dark skin but very beautiful.
Yes.
Very beautiful. Okay. Um, are you aware the majority of foreigners like Filipinas morena skin?
Yeah.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel so happy po that they love our natural skin po. Yes po. That's all po.
Okay, you feel happy. Proud.
Proud po.
Yes, proud. Okay. What is your message to people that say Filipinos are racist because they don't like dark skin?
Um, I personally think po that not all of the Filipino thinks that we are racist po. So I my message to them po is to love their own color po, be happy for what they have. That's all po.
Do you think they are racist really?
I think no po.
Why are Filipinas obsessed with white skin and are you one of them?
Yes, I'm one of them. And the God.
And
Wait lang.
it's okay. And so you consider yourself obsessed with white skin as well, right? Just
Yes,
like
yes.
them. Why? Why do you think Filipinas are obsessed with white skin? Because
They want to like experience um that kind of skin
Mhm.
for for
How about
for
you?
them for them for for them to be more confident.
So they want to experience to have white skin for them to feel confident.
Yeah. And we wanted to reach the beauty standard of others.
At what age you start feeling that I want to have white skin? What age exactly?
17.
17. And what are you using right now to have a white skin? Are you using whitening products? What kind of products?
No po, kasi wala pang like money pambili po. So parang ngayon, siguro ma-obsess na lang muna ako. Pero hindi ko na muna siya i-apply sa sarili ko. Baka in the future kapag may work na ako.
Okay. So she said she's just obsessed right now,
Yeah.
but there's no she doesn't have money yet to
Yes.
buy these whitening products, but maybe in the future when you have job, right? You
Yes.
said. Yeah, right now she's just obsessed. Like, are you daydreaming of having white skin?
Yes. Parang gusto ko pagising ko, yun na.
She said every time she wakes up she wanted to have, like, it's done, like, I have white skin already. You have a very beautiful morena skin though.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, are you aware the majority of foreigners like Filipinas morena skin, and how do you feel about that?
Siguro sa akin sobrang thankful ako kasi na-a-appreciate nila yung skin na meron tayo.
So she said that she's thankful that they were able to appreciate the skin color that we have, that Filipinas have. How about you? You don't appreciate your color, your morena
I
skin?
do. I do. Tsaka maganda na ako sa ganito. So that's why um, parang nakokontento na ako sa kung ano ngayon.
Okay, she said that yeah, she does. Actually, she's starting to feel like being contented of what skin color she have right now. Since when?
Um, age 18.
18.
Yeah.
So
17 na-obsess ka, 18 parang nag-back to reality ka na eto talaga eh.
17 you started liking, you were like obsessed of having white skin, but right now you're still, you said earlier that you were daydreaming like that, you're still dreaming of, one day you're gonna wake up, you have white skin, but you also learn to be contented, to accept what color of skin you have, right?
Yes po.
Why are Filipinas obsessed with white skin, and are you one of them?
Well, sometimes people tend to have insecurities, and I think people are ano po, are wait lang.
It's okay.
um People are obsessed with white skin because the definition of a true beauty for them is to have a white skin. And I don't think I'm one of them kasi I'm uh I'm just in the middle po. Like, I'm just in a tan skin, and I think they're obsessed, they obsessed in with white skin because um they want to have a perfect skin type, and to be able for them to be beautiful, and to have a power po.
To have a power. You mentioned that you are not obsessed, but you consider yourself like in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Like out of 10, 10 as like very obsessed. Where are you there? Like from the number, from 1 to 10?
I think I'm from 7.
7. What are the things that you do to make yourself white?
um I'm just be me, and uh I have a sensitive skin, and I think that to achieve that looks is to be beautiful and be confident on what you have right now.
Are you using beauty products like whitening products like soap, lotion, like those?
Nothing, because as I've said earlier, I have a sensitive skin, and it is only silka papaya lang. That's sweet suit for me.
The lotion.
Yes po.
Oh, which color?
Orange.
Oh my god, me too. That's my favorite. My husband, he told he told me that it smells really good. It does, right?
Yes.
It smells really, it smells papaya, like sweet papaya. It's really good. I love it too. And in the green one, it smells good too.
Yes.
Okay, so Selka, at what age did you start feeling that you want white skin? You said that, when was it?
When I was in senior high school, and because and syempre, junior high school, because I'm a majorette leader in our school when I was in junior high school.
I'm not surprised. You have the you have the height, you're slim, beautiful, you have this Barbie body. Beautiful. Okay. You're welcome. Are you aware the foreigners, I mean the majority of foreigners like Filipinas morena skin. And how do you feel about that?
Well, I feel like I'm happy because um not all not all Americans love white skin, but they love the Filipino color. And I think that's what Filipino is, to have a morena skin po. And I think that um, it is important to not just based on is what your skin type, but it is based from the heart.
Do you feel proud that a lot of men from other countries, they like, the Filipino skin, the morena skin?
Yes, I'm proud because those love comes from within, and I'm so happy that those Filipino will have a true love in other countries po.
Okay, do you think Filipinas are racist because they don't like dark skin?
Skin. I don't think Filipino are racist because um they just want it to build their self and to be more confident about their self, and it is not just racist, but it is something that you fulfill yourself to be beautiful enough.
Okay. I'm just curious, do you have a boyfriend or you're single?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
Uh,
Because you're so pretty. Like you're very very pretty. Wait, how long have you been single?
I'm not allowed to have a boyfriend po kasi
Why?
um,
I'm being nosy. Why?
I'm strict po kasi parents ko.
So you're no boyfriend since birth?
Hello, ate, wag na paano.
Ay, she had, but you're single, right?
Yes
Is it
po.
because of religion or what?
No, because of yeah, my family, because of my family, because it is not um because of their strict uh I have a strict parents, and they want me to graduate in college without a boyfriend. So if I graduated as a bachelor's degree, then I think it is ano po, applicable for them to have a boyfriend.
Oh, so that's like a go for them, right? Like, okay, you can go and look for a boyfriend now. I'm just very curious. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single for almost like 5 years na.
5 years. Do you see yourself in a relationship with a foreigner?
Maybe, maybe. For me, parang gusto ko yung mga like, mga sa Japan, Japanese.
Oh, so you like Japanese men. Okay. Interesting. Because usually someone your age, they prefer someone like Korean, like those. But you like Japanese. You're gonna have a lot of sushi. Well, anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much for having this interview. Salamat.
Thank you po. I just want to say to the people that just live your life to the fullest.
I love that. I love that. Thank you.
Beautiful reflections